Students, here it is given that the angle of elevation of a cloud, let the cloud be here, angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above the ground, AB is 60 meter, and angle of elevation of this cloud is 30 degree. So we will draw the line of sight here. This angle is 30 degree. Let this point be C. And the angular depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60 degree. So this BF is the lake, and angular depression of this cloud. So angular depression, let this be point D, and angular depression. So because the observer who is sitting at a height of 60 meter, he will see this cloud in the lake. So this will be angular depression. This will be 60 degree. We need to find height of the cloud from the lake. So let this height of the cloud from the lake will be h meter, because this AB is 60, so EF, because these are parallel lines, so this will be 60. So we are using a two triangles, triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, CE will be perpendicular, and because this AE is common for both these triangles AEC and AED, so AE is common, that will be base here. So we are using perpendicular over base, that is tan theta. So let this perpendicular for this triangle, this perpendicular will be, because total is h and 60 we will subtract, so it will become h minus 60. This will be h minus 60. And now for second triangle ADE, perpendicular will be DE, E to D will be perpendicular. This total height will be, this will be perpendicular here. So you know that because this is a reflection, CF is the reflection, sorry, DF is the reflection of CF, so this height will be h. So DE will be DF plus EF, that is h plus 60. This is here very important point, that perpendicular for this triangle ADE, perpendicular for triangle ADE will be DF plus EF. Okay, so it become h plus 60. This will be h plus 60, which is very important to understand here, that this will be h plus 60. So now here height of the cloud from the lake is h meter. A is the position of the point 60 meter above the lake. D is the reflection of the cloud. So in triangle ACE, CE will be equals to h minus 60, and in triangle ADE, DE will be equals to h plus 60. These conversions we are using in perpendicular. Perpendicular we are here because we need to find the perpendicular in these both triangles. Here we are using trigonometric ratios in the triangle only. So the perpendicular in first triangle CE is the perpendicular, which equals to h minus 60, and in second triangle DE will be the perpendicular, which equals to h plus 60. Now we will take first triangle ACE. In triangle ACE, perpendicular over base CE over AE equals to tan 30. So it is h minus 60 over AE equals to 1 by root 3. So From here AE will be equals to under root 3 into h minus 60 meter. Now in second triangle ADE, perpendicular over base, DE over AE equals to tan 60. D is h plus 60 over AE equals to root 3. So from here AE equals to h plus 60 over root 3. So from equation 1 and 2, because both are the values of AE, so equating these both equations 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, under root 3 into h minus 60 equals to h plus 60 over root 3. So this root 3 multiply this side become 3, root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3h minus 60 equals to h plus 60. So multiply inside become 3h minus 180 equals to h plus 60. Now taking like terms to one side, 2h equals to 240 and h equals to 120 meter. So height of the cloud is 120 meter.